Let me ask you a question. Have you ever had a client ask for volume around their face frame and you just couldn't seem to get the lift that they wanted? My name is Adrienne Dara, and today we are going to simplify the way you do your volume blowouts. But first, let's begin by freshening up this face frame. Haircutting is personally one of my favorite services behind the chair. Creating movement, texture, and enhancing a client's color all with your shears. As you can see, we first began by identifying our guide, over-directing each side as we connected the sides to our cutting guide. Next, you will marry the interior sides into your frame. For a softer enhancement, you will over-direct the sides. For a more dramatic feel, which is what we are seeking today, you will do more of a minimal over-direction. Now it's time for the interior face frame layers. Identify from the start of the brow to the start of the brow on either side. This is going to signify the width of your section. Pull the section straight forward and cut to your pre-existing guide. You'll continue to bring everything to center throughout the face frame on either side. After you've done all of your interior face framing layers, it's going to be AirLight Pro time. First and foremost, you're going to want to choose your settings. For this, I'll choose the custom setting, which don't forget that one of the incredible benefits of AirLight Pro is within the app, you can customize all of your settings to the individual needs of a client. First, you will rough dry the hair, and then you will move right into the blowout. As you can see, tension is your best friend here, and making sure that you are continuously moving that brush in a rotation. This will ensure a smooth finish. And let's not leave out the importance of the cool shot button, which is located in the midsection of your dryer. You know, when it comes to the cool shot, it's there to relax the hair and add a shiny finish. So whenever you're doing it to not only calm down the hair, but you're doing it to add shine. And here you'll notice that I'm blow drying up away from the face. This is promoting the volume in which I am seeking. It's important also to make sure whenever you're drying the hair, no matter what the desired finish is, that you are always making sure the root is dry at first. That's really setting you up for success for the remainder of the blow dry. Now, look at this side. Notice how I sort of twirled the brush out ever so softly. This is going to be ideal for someone who might want volume and movement, but they don't want it to be so big and bold. Now, on the other side, we're going for big and bold. I wanted to show you two different options. So again, we are blow drying up away from the face, but now we are sort of over directing and blow drying that hair forward. Notice the extreme amount of tension. Now, cool shot button, because this is going to set it. After this, we'll bring all of the hair back away from the face, and just like that, kapow. Two different volume looks. So now that you see two great options for how you can approach blowing out this face frame, let's marry them into one. I mean, why not? I also think it's important to keep in mind that when you are doing any of these styles, playing around is what makes it fun, but it's important to go in with a plan. So what's our plan here? Well, now that we've married both sections into one and we've decided she's going to be a voluminous side parter, we're going to go in and set that fringe style. I'm going to use a no bend clip, and I will just put that into the position in which I want it to be. And this will now enable me to hold my style while also being able to blow out the sides. And again, getting that root 100% dry before moving in to zones 2 and 3 of the hair shaft. I mean, in a second, just look at that. That is so voluminous, so much bold volume. It's everything a client who likes big hair would possibly want. All right, well, now my friends, as we come to the end of this, hopefully this gave you some great tips and tricks and simplified your thinking when it comes to doing a blowout in these areas. And thank goodness for our AirLight Pro to help us through to get the most perfect finish. And there you have it, my friends, a simplified volume blowout.